This video is going to demonstrate viewing a pallet from a mobile device in the SAP Business One system using Agility 360's Pallet View app for a batched item. First, we're going to pull up our Agility grid here. We're going to be using pallet number 9673. As you can see, it is a batched pallet, batches 200623 with 5 item FDO14. This is an Agility grid that allows you to view all the pallets and cartons in the SAP system. Now we're going to minimize that and pull up our Agility 360 mobile emulator. This is going to show Agility 360 exactly how it would look on a handheld device in your warehouse. We're going to change our distribution menu over to pallets, select Pallet View, and simply we're going to scan the pallet label. And now we have our batched pallet in there, 9673. It shows you the bin, the warehouse, the correct item, a description, and the quantity. And now if we want to see what batches are on the pallet, we can go down here and select serial/batch, and it will bring up a list of all the batches and the quantity of items belonging to that batch that are sitting on the pallet. Thank you for watching.